In this video, we will be showing how to manually add prefix plus or 0 to contact numbers in a VCF output file. In the first step, install SIS Tools Excel to vCard Converter on your system. Then run the tool, and convert all the desired contacts from an Excel file into vCard format. Then open the destination folder in which the output file was saved. Then right-click the file and open it in a Notepad to preview its content. Now you can see the list of contact details, but without any plus or 0 prefixes to the numbers. Then press Ctrl H to choose the Find and Replace option. After that, enter the specific keyword to find inside the search field. Then enter the particular keyword to replace inside the Replace with Field option. Then select the Replace All option. Now you can see the added prefixes before the numbers in the output file. You can also follow the same method for adding 0 prefix as well. Then save and close the file. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.